Welcome to WordPress. How to use default WordPress editor. If you edit a post or page in WordPress and you get this type of interface, this is Gutenberg editor for WordPress. It can also be called as block editor. If you don't like this interface and want to get classic editor back, go to plugins, search for classic editor plugin, install it, and then activate it. This plugin will replace Gutenberg editor with the classic WordPress editor, where you can switch between visual and code view. You can also install disable Gutenberg plugin to hide Gutenberg editor from everywhere in WordPress. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.